France aimed to abolish age-old shady scrum tactics that Erasmus argued were against the spirit of the game. French officials are aiming to stamp out a pet hate among us rugby fans this season by targeting shady scrum tactics during the top 14 and PRO D2 ahead of the 2025-26 season. New officiating guidelines have been issued with the aim of restoring fairness and making refereeing decision clearer. The governing body of the two competitions, the LNR, confirmed included in the new tweaks is the introduction of an orange card, which will be in place instead of a 20-minute red card and will be used for acts that don't meet a full sending of threshold but that exceed a yellow card. These guidelines were agreed upon at a collaborative meeting in Loudon-Billy last week between the coaching staff of the respective French clubs and the match officials of the two leagues. Outside of the introductions of the orange card, the new guidelines are centered around more vigilance and clarification of the laws rather than trials and charge changes. While it has been confirmed that fans in attendance will also be able to hear the referee over the stadium speakers during matches, stamping out skewed scrum feeds, while more focus will be placed on the attacking players at the ruck this season in France, and clarity was provided on player diving to sport right after Donchain's controversial score in the British and English Test series. The most interesting guideline for officials is perhaps to focus on scrum feeds. World Rugby Law 19.15 has reads when both sides are clear, stable and stationary. The scrum half throws in the ball straight. The scrum half may align their shoulder on the middle line of the scrum. They will standing on a shoulder width closer to their side of the scrum. Additionally, Law 19.22. During the scrum state, the hooker from the team with 3 in the ball must strike for the ball. Their two laws, more particularly in the first, are often overlooked by officials and are a real bugbear for fans and coaches. But the official in scrum-loving France will be out to create a fairer contest this season ahead of the referees for the top 14 and PRO D2. Matthew Reinl has confirmed the long-neglected laws will be a priority for the official with scrum feeds needing to be a straight and hookers must attempt to heel the ball backwards on their own feet as the top divisions in France strive for a more contested scrum. In addition to this, every 2 months meeting will be held between scrum coaches and France assistant William Servet to ensure that the set piece is not just refereeing consistently and halting the trend of unfair contests. Everyone agrees that there was a shift in the way scrum feeds were being handled. Even the staff acknowledged it. Reynolds said in an interview with Rugby Roma. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.